Hello, Mr. Adil Zafar. Thank you for your encouraging and appreciating mail. And as per your request, to do Dua Salam in our own language, there you go. Salam Namaste, everybody. To create this look I am wearing in this video, I will start off with spraying rose water on my face to make it more hydrated. And once it dries off, I'll start coating my whole face with foundation. Love applying foundation with my fingers. And once I'm done applying, I'll blend it on with my Forever 21 makeup sponge. Using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover my upper eye, under eye, forehead, chin area, nose. Really all the areas that I wanted to highlight, and blending it on with the same beauty blender. I'm using Music Flower Gel Eyeliner in the shade Brown and dipping the angular brush I got with the pack in it, very slightly though. I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows, and I'm using a scale here to make the lines more perfect, more crisp. Brushing off the extra products with a spoolie and combing my eyebrow here to give it a near to natural look. Moving on with Maybelline Dark Nudes palette. I'm using third color from the first row as a base color to set my concealer and get a clean blank canvas to draw my eyeshadow on. Now I'm using the fifth and sixth color of this palette from the first row, which is a beautiful taupe kind of color, to cut my crease and to use it as a transition color. Blending on with the fluffy eyeshadow brush. And now I'm going to use Maybelline the Blush Nudes palette. Using this lovely burnt bronze kind of color on my eyelids. And now using this pearly glittery kind of black. I don't know how to describe it, but I love this. Packing it in the outer corner of my eyes and blending it through the inner corners. I'm cutting my crease to make my features look more precise. Using this deep metallic brown from Maybelline Dark Nudes palette once again, and making the deep dark shadow little softer towards the center. And now I'm taking this rich golden shadow from Maybelline Dark Nudes and packing it in the center of my eyelid and blending it towards the inner corner. I've taken a flat smudge brush and taking the metallic brown and black from this palette to smoke out my lower lash line. Curling up my eyelashes with Vega Eyelash Curler Pro. Applying L'Oreal Million Lashes Mascara to my upper lash line just before putting on my false eyelashes off camera. Using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. And of course hide the eyelash glue or eyelash line. I'm using Plum Kajal in my waterline area. Now I'm using mascara on my lower lash line to add volume and make my eyes look bigger. I'm using Maybelline Brush Note palettes and taking the white shadow as my brow bone highlighter to highlight underneath my brow bone. Highlighting my brow bone and blending it very softly. I'm using this warm peachy brown color as a contour shade. Hello jawline, you better show up, huh? Using this romantic peach color as blush on the apples of my cheeks and making fish faces. I'm mixing this pearl white highlighter with a baby pink highlighter, which is not that pigmented, the pearl white being the more pigmented one. And applying it all over my cheekbones, nose, cupid bows, chin. I'm using a face mist to get the dewy effect. Using Oriflame Down Lip Liner to line my lips. And using Lotus Chapel Lips in the shade Nude Blush. I love this. Patting on a white tissue on my lips to get out that excess products or excess shine. Using my fingers to tap some highlighter on my lips to add that extra shimmery glow on my lips. And done. So this is how the look came out to be. Do let me know if you really like it. Do let me know if you have any more suggestions for me. Do write to me, and if you really like this video, if you want me to do more and more such videos, you know what to do, right? Do like, do subscribe, show love, show support. Love ya, bye bye, take care, and stay stylish.